Moroccan red clay powder benefits and source. Benefits: revives and brightens the complexion, reduces redness and soothes discomfort caused by irritations, mattifies and unifies the complexion, acts as a natural color in makeup, absorbs excess sebum from the skin and hair, restores body, silkiness and shine to hair. Now foods, solutions, Moroccan red clay powder. Description: pure powder. Facial cleanser, sensitive skin types. No solutions products are not tested on animals. Condition: sensitive skin in need of detoxification, pore cleansing, and improved skin tone. Solution: Moroccan red clay is a natural clay powder that is highly absorbent and mixes easily with water and other moisturizing products. It serves as an excellent facial cleanser and purifying mask, especially for individuals with sensitive skin. Suggested use: mix 1 tablespoon of now red clay powder with 1 teaspoon of water. Thoroughly cover the face and neck, avoiding sensitive areas and the eyes. Allow to set for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off and apply moisturizer. Other ingredients: montmorillonite, a natural mineral silicate. Warnings: for external use only. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.